In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok profile pic in 2020. Welcome back. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master media with short tutorials, smash subscribe and hit the thumbs up for more videos like it. Go ahead and open up TikTok. Make sure that you're logged in. Likely you will be, and you will be on the Home tab. Go to your Me icon down at the bottom right-hand side. That's your Profile tab. Open that up. It'll bring you to a page that looks something like this. Now, there's a few ways to change your profile pic on TikTok. You can go ahead and just click on the profile pic from this screen. It'll bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can choose the little pencil next to my weird-looking expression. That'll open up a page with all of the photos on your camera that you can choose from. For today's example, we can just choose it to my daughter's photo and confirm down at the bottom. You can crop it by moving it around, and then you can save it. When you're happy with the changes, you can just go ahead and back out of this screen. You can also click on Edit Profile from this screen. And then on the top left-hand side of the corner, you can click on Change Photo. You can take a new photo, select from your gallery, you can view the photo, and you can back out by pressing Cancel. We can select from Gallery. And again, it will take you to your media, where you can choose the same photo, a different photo, whatever you like. When you're happy with the changes, just go ahead and back out and back out. And then the next step is just go ahead and click on the video on the screen to learn more about TikTok with short, helpful tutorials. And remember, smash subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Take care.